Hey guys, hey family, Tanya here. Hey, I just want to show you guys how I cover my plants. We're going to have like 19-degree weather, and I'm still growing cabbages and collards. Even though they love it cold, I still don't want them to get like, when it's below freezing, I like to cover them. So I did a video, a haul, I think it was on my other channel, on Amazon. I got this plastic here. My nephew and niece, they gave me a gift card. So first thing I got was something for the garden. So I got this. This is greenhouse plastic. And I also got these clamps here. They're really heavy duty. Let me show you one right here. Got these clamps. So this is just how I'm going to do it. Just going to easily drape. Now I thought this plastic was longer than it was, but it's just enough. And I can even cut it down some and use it on my other beds. But I'm just draping it over the plants using the frame of the greenhouse as the the foundation. I clipped it up here around the frame of the greenhouse. I use those clamps. My hubby was out here. I should have had him clamp it up here. I can't like reach over here to clamp it in the middle, but I can clamp them on the sides here and then just drape it over. And I'm using these clamps on the pots themselves so that when the wind picks up, it's secured, and then it won't set off our alarm as well. They'll still get some, if I'm not in a hurry to come out here and uncover them, they'll still get some good sun. And that's how I do it. And they do fine. They do just fine under here. And then I just let it hang and secured it with some more pots down here. Then I had some leftover bricks and just clamped it down right here. It needs to get some air in here. So this is when you use that fabric, like on the ends, right on the ends here. I just use some fabric so we'll protect it, but then there's some airflow. Okay. So I'm going to get another piece for this bed here. But until then, I'm just going to drape it with the black fabric that I have. And I keep forgetting, I have a shower curtain. I have a clear, like old used shower curtain. I keep forgetting to bring it down here. It's like I wipe it off really good. I sanitize it and then I fold it up and forget to bring it down. Okay, so then the rest of the plants are just they're gonna survive in the greenhouse. It's going to get cold in here, but they'll have some protection. And that's all really the greens need, just a little protection. All right. And then these I have to find a use for these. These little cold frames I got from Lidl. They were like $9.99. And I was hoping I could use them out on the grow table, but they're not big enough. So I'll see, maybe I might drape them over these collard greens. If I see that they're getting too cold in here, then I'll pop the greens. Yeah, I'll pop the greens in there. But I had some help. Hubby was like, I'll bring them in. I'll bring some of these plants in. These are the bigger ones, the ones that are really solid, that we'll probably be harvesting in a couple days for Christmas. So he brought these closer into the house. But yeah, these cold frames will be good for things like that. Alrighty guys, so I just did a video on me fertilizing. I used some Alaskan fish fertilizer 511 on all the plants today. I'm covering them up. These thrive in this greenhouse here. This clear greenhouse, as long as, see, there's a little air that gets in there. I don't care how cold it gets, you still need some air coming through there. So look at my bok choy. I got greens down here. So this is a good solution for protecting your plants from freeze. Okay, guys? Thank you for tuning in. Just wanted to share a little bit, especially for new. I know my OGs know what to do, but for people that are just starting out with fall and winter gardening, you know, this is one of the tasks that I do. And just keep it out here. Just keep it out here, ready to go. Thank you guys. Bye. See you in my next video.